Somebody's sent me something, a little bit of a remedy or whatever. I wasn't too sure of the outfit they were wearing or whatever, but here, get a load of this stuff. It's got some herbs and stuff in there and whatever else. I just don't know. Anyways, apparently it works really good. So we're gonna. They said not to take a lot, just enough, right? Just half a shot or something will do. It's apparently medicine. I'll take a little bit of this. Kind of herbal stuff. Like cough syrup, maybe. Smells something. Smells like something. That I will say. Put that back over there. So, yeah. Look at the color. All right. Here goes nothing. Oh. Well. Ooh. Interesting. Apparently one of the things is there's honey in it. I can taste that at least. It's Where the hell am I? What just happened? I have no idea what's going on. What century I'm in? Woo!